What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got the old PW80 Yamaha. We got it basically for free, so I have no money into it right now, like zero. It doesn't run. It's got pretty good compression, so that's a plus. But I have a carburetor ordered up for it because the last one was just disgusting. I don't know if you've seen that video yet. You should probably go check it out. But one issue here is this rim is kind of junky, if you can't tell. And that's not the bearings. There's like 4 spokes holding the rim together. So what we're gonna do right now is take off the back tire, take off this wheel, see if we can't fix this up real nice, make it a cute bike. So yeah, let's do that real quick. Alrighty guys, so here is the rim. It's pretty bad shape, so I guess I'm just gonna take off the tire right now. That way we can switch out the rims, because I do have another one right here, which I got in a previous bike that I bought. The dude had 2 PW80 rims. He didn't want them, so he just gave them away. So yeah. I've already used the front tire for another project, so basically that dude saved me like 200 bucks. Pretty sweet. So we got this piece of junk off. It's barely hanging on, so yeah, let's just throw it away. Alrighty, so here's the new rim. It's all solid, doesn't clap around. Does have a black hub, so I don't know, plus 5 horsepower maybe, something like that. These guys, I don't know. I guess he already took off the... Actually, never mind. Comes with the whole package deal. 1 second. Look at that. Comes with free rims, or free spokes. Like a whole ton of them. And some tape. Alright, no more junk in here. Let me get some tape if I can find some. Alrighty, so we got this done. Let's throw half the tire on, and we gotta go to the store and pick up a inner tube, but that'll probably be tomorrow. Alrighty, so we got the new rim on there. Looks solid. I'm not gonna touch the bike, I'll just leave it up here so that it doesn't get hurt. But basically, the bike, all it really needs is that, and we're waiting for the new carburetor to come in because the old one was just disgusting. But yeah, I don't know. Probably not gonna end this video just yet. I'll catch you guys tomorrow whenever I'm going to pick it up when I'm going to pick up a new inner tube, because I mean, there's no really use to end the video right here. We still got the whole lineup. Looks pretty solid. Should I keep the stock exhaust on the 150R B or keep it on the 150R? That's the 150R, that's the RB. I don't know. I have this Yoshi pipe right here that I can put on either one. But that one is a little bit quieter, and I can put this quiet insert in there, so we'll see that. But anyways, yeah, I'll catch you tomorrow. Alrighty guys, so we got a inner tube. Saturday, we don't have school, so working on all the dirt bikes. Been working a little bit off camera on the 150R. Right here, stripped it down, took off the subframe, all that stuff. As you can see, here is the piston. No up and down, just side to side play, which is pretty nice. Rebuilding this, I have to buy the whole new cylinder that goes right here. Then the cylinder head with all the valves, and then cam holder, all the cams, all that stuff. And then the cover. So all that's gonna cost around. And I have to buy a new piston too. So that's gonna cost all about probably like $450. It's gonna be a lot of money, but technically I can choose either one, which one I got for free. I could either say I got the 150R for free or I got the PW80 for free. Because I got them for so cheap to where if I got them both for $550, I technically went to buy the 150R for $550. The dude gave me the PW80 for free, but if I can get the PW80, make it pretty nice. Carburetor's coming in today, so that was like $12. I didn't want to spend a lot of money, but yeah, I'll probably just get all the jets and little components and put on the other one, because that one's OEM. But if I can get this one done, and I'll have like 20 bucks into it, then I sell it for $550, $600. I've sold one for $680 before, so that's pretty nice. And this one looks a lot better than some of the ones that I've had. All of this is just spray paint, so I can just take it off with lacquer thinner. You can see it took off the front number with that. But yeah, we can make this one nice. Make 560 bucks, then I have $0 in the 150R. Put 500 bucks for the top end. And then I need to get radiators and pretty much set. So yeah, y'all let me know if I should flip the 150R. I have a lot of people offering me like $500-600 bucks for it, so I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, today we're working on the PW80, putting on the inner tube, and then tomorrow's video should be putting on the carburetor. Unless this video is running a little short, then I'll just throw it in this video. So yeah, let's go. And throw the inner tube on. Hopefully it'll be easy. Hopefully I don't pop it. These pit bike inner tubes are a pain sometimes. Yeah. Alright, looks like I got the right size, so that's a plus. Alrighty guys, so we got air in here. Looks to be holding up. So yeah, let's throw it on the bike, I guess. I mean, we can't really do anything else. Alrighty guys, so we got the tire on, it's holding air. Doesn't really spin good, it's all crusty, but yeah. I had to put some washers before this. That way it'd make enough space because for some reason the axle was like different and that nut wouldn't like fit on it really good. So I fixed that. Bearings are good on that one. So pretty much all we're waiting for right now is a carburetor, which should be coming in a couple hours. But yeah, other than that, this bike is pretty clean. Not really clean, but it's clean, like as in it still says Yamaha, still has stock graphics on there. But yeah, that'll probably be a wrap for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And yeah, comment down below what we should do with the 150R. Because honestly, I think it'd be fun to rebuild it, but then it's also I'm gonna have to wait until I sell the PW80 and probably the KX100 before I can start building this one. See ya guys, you already know what to do, and peace.